Embedding the Kamma Retrofit Explorer tool is a fundamental part of our proposition around education. I'm Steve Matthews. I'm the head of residential lending at Octopus Real Estate. Octopus Real Estate are a UK lender and investor. We provide equity and debt to UK property developers and landlords. The problem I think we're trying to address is that in residential lending, particularly my sector, we don't own the asset, and those assets are owned by a landlord or an investor. And when they're going about their business, we really need to try and educate them as to why they should be thinking about the environmental impact and energy efficiency as part of their overall proposition. The problem is this isn't really at the forefront of most people's minds. So the main solution is educating our borrowers of how to actually tackle the problem. So in our product design, we've tried to think about ways to genuinely incentivize borrowers to move the needle and make a change, rather than reward them for something that's already happened. Embedding the Kamma Retrofit Explorer tool is a fundamental part. So in the residential lending side, there are two core products that focus on the green lending aspect. One of them is around buy-to-let. So we've docked this product EnviroLet. What we do is that we bake into that product additional gearing, if you like, so that an opportunity for our borrowers to access funds specifically to make energy efficient improvements to that property. The way that works is, let's assume a property is a D, they can use the Retrofit Explorer tool to work out how to get that to C, B, or whatever the property can become. And then we advance the money for them to do that work as part of the initial underwrite. So that's all baked into the product from day one. The other one is our refurb product. And this is where a borrower is going to borrow money to buy the property, and then we're going to fund the cost of buyers to do that as well. What we're doing there is saying that as part of that project, if you address the energy inefficient or efficiency aspect of that development, and you move that property to at least an EPC rating of a C and improve the SAP points by a minimum of 20 points, we will discount that product or the initial rate as a way of offsetting the cost to the borrower for making those improvements. And what we're seeing is that there are borrowers now that are thinking about energy efficiency because the benefit of the discount really adds value to their overall product. So we have examples now where borrowers have come in, they've done full refurbishment to a property, included energy efficiency upgrades as part of that. And to navigate the best way to make those upgrades, they work with the Kamma tools. We had really positive feedback from brokers, a much better outcome for our borrower because they benefited from the reduced rate, a much quicker exit for them, so they've been able to sell the property quicker because it has the benefit of more energy efficiency. And in both scenarios that I'm thinking of at the moment, they've sold at above what I expected their sale price to be. So I think the first thing is when we're talking to our customers about what we're trying to do with our product, having something to then show them how to maximize the benefit is essential to it. It doesn't work just by showing them a rate of a product or some leverage. It really has to show them how to take property from a inefficient to an efficient. So it ticks that box perfectly for us.